In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a tool in TradingView that will help you scan for potential trade opportunities before you start your actual scalping day. So you're going to go to just tradingview.com and you're going to come over here and scroll over where it says products. Go to the screeners section and then click on crypto pairs. Now from here, we need to change a few settings. And so we're going to go over to the filters section, and probably the first thing you want to do is go to exchange, because you don't really want to be looking at pairs that aren't available on the exchange that you're trading on. So I'm going to choose OKX, and I'm also going to choose Bitget because I'm trading on both of these exchanges. Now over here where it says relative strength index, I'm going to keep it on below and I'm going to put the value at 20 because I want to see what is currently oversold right now. And then once I've set those filters, I can click out and you can see here it says RSI below 20. I also just want to make sure that I'm on the 1 hour time frame for this, because if I can find things that are oversold on the 1 hour time frame, then on a 5-minute or 15-minute chart, I might be able to catch some bounces. Now, some of these things we don't need, so there's no point confusing ourselves. Come over to the 3 dots here and get rid of the ATR, really any of these things here that I'm clicking off. Unless you happen to like any of these, you can keep them on, but for what I'm showing you specifically, we don't really need any of these things. And then finally, we're only interested in perpetual contracts. So in the search area here, you can just type in perp, and that way it's going to show you only the currently oversold options to trade on the exchange that you chose that kind of fits your criteria. So this is only giving me one right now. Now, if I wanted more than that, I could change this below 20 to below 30, but I'm just going to use this as the example to show you what to do next. So I've got this one option. Now I'm going to go to my normal trading view and see if there's an opportunity there. So to see if there's an opportunity, you want to be looking at the 1 hour time frame first. And you're basically going to use the TBD system to decide if you can count your 3 levels in the current direction, line it up with a vector candle. Are we close to the high or the low of the week? Anything where you think a bounce may come, or if you're not at the bottom of your 3 levels or the top of your 3 levels, is there a chance of a retracement to ride the current trend into a further drop? So looking at this 1 hour time frame, for this as an example, I can see the M formation and I can see that we're currently in a level 1 drop that has broken the 255 EMA. So this might provide me an opportunity if it comes back to retest. That could provide scalp opportunities down for the next level. So this is not an opportunity right now, but it is something worth keeping an eye on. So now if I go over to my 5-minute time frame, I definitely don't want to be shorting this when it hasn't had a retracement at all. But I can see that the EMA and the VWAP is starting to trend down beautifully. And once this bleed finishes, if it comes back up to retest either of these, there could be an amazing short opportunity, because on the 1 hour time frame, I can only see 1 drop so far. So if there are 2 more drops to come on the 1 hour time frame, that could provide many amazing scalp opportunities for this particular coin. So one thing you could do there is just have a look in the drop. Where is there a significant vector candle? For me, this one is significant. You could mark that out, because if price did retrace eventually, it would likely come into that zone before further downside. At the same time, your VWAP would probably come into it, and so would the 255. So at the bottom of that vector candle, you could just set an alert. And then if price retraces into that, your alert's going to go off. You can come back and check. If it's not rejecting there, you just move your alert up and up and up until you actually get the signal that makes you want to short. You don't have to sit here watching the chart. Now, the second thing you're going to do is we can do it the other way as well. So we go to the RSI settings, and instead of below, we're going to put above, and we would change that to above 80. And now we see that there are some potential opportunities here as well. So this is how we're going to know very quickly and very easily what coins we should be trying to scalp that day.